Hey guys, my name is Zakir and welcome to our channel BTech Career Guide. So actually we usually post jobs in our video, right? So from today onwards we'll be trying to get you most of the hackathons, okay, hackathons, competitions and much more, and quiz competitions too in future. Okay, we are planning to do all these things just because of your support and lot of queries which I've received on Instagram as well as on the comments. Okay, so today I brought you one of the competition which is from Akadarth. They have released Namma Yatri, which is for software development engineer hiring challenge 2025. Okay, so let us see in details about this hiring challenge and what are the requirements are. Okay, so Namma Yatri software development engineer hiring challenge 2025. Okay, so I thought this Namma Isala Cup Namde like that. Okay, Namma Yatri software development engineering hiring challenge 2025 hosted by Namma Yatri, and then till now 22,375 people have been registered for this hiring challenge, and which will be opening on March 21st 2025 6 p.m. Okay, so we have a lot of time, and this will be closing on March 23rd 2025 11:59 p.m. Okay, so in this particular window the competition will be opened, so you need to make sure that you log in into that particular competition at this particular duration of time. Okay, so the duration of the test is 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, so you can click on add to calendar, but before that you need to register. So let us see the challenge description and then let's focus on the registration process. Okay, so test overview, challenge overview. We are thrilled to announce that Namma Yatri is launching an exciting hiring challenge on Accurate as a revolutionary force in the mobility sector. We are transforming urban transformation by empowering drivers and enhancing the passenger experience. We are looking for passionate, innovative minds to join our growing team and help drive this mission forward. Okay, this challenge is an open um, opportunity to showcase your talent, solve real world mobility problems, and earn a place in the company that is shaping the future of urban transport. If you are ready to make an impact, just join our redefining mobility. So basically, this is a company which works on mobile kind of thing, and then that's why they are using a lot of mobility and all. Okay, so let us see the recruitment process. So apply through the Accurate first one, and then step two, you will be having 2 rounds of online proctored coding assessments. So 2 rounds of assessment will be there. One, this is one, and the next one they will be updating you once you clear this coding. And then step three is an hackathon for 1 day. That might be in the duration of a day, or that might be at the night. We don't know at what time it will be. And then step four is technical and cultural fit interview. Done. And then challenge format will be two programming questions that they will be giving, and eligibility, this is what we need to focus on. So the year of experience should be 0 to 5 years of industry experience. So if you have 5 years of experience, in case if you are no experienced people also, this is a best opportunity, and this is an hiring challenge, right? So based upon your score and the current competition kind of thing, you will be getting selected into this particular company. Only 4 steps that will be easy for you to crack. Okay, so about this company, you can go through that. So Namma Yatri is a software as a service, mobility as a service platform that enables drivers to seamlessly connect with riders, ensuring frictionless user experience and hassle-free service for both. As a people first from Namma, okay, we can go through that later. Okay, you're not required. So what are the jobs that they have? So experience should be 0 to 5 years. The location will be Bangalore, Chennai, or Kolkata. So what you will be bringing? So you will be working on the core problem pertaining to our centers of excellence. Each of our center of excellence balance the goal of framework development, the ideal and the business enablement, the practical. So front end development, crafting user friendly UI UX for seamlessly ride bookings using functional programming PF, and working on SDK integrations with other third party customer facing apps, building multi-model multi-tenant application which can be used across cities, ongoing enhancements of app. Okay, that's the thing for the front end developer. So if we can look at this backend engineer, developing business logic for diverse ride hailing services like rentals, on way, one way booking, primarily in FPF, FP. Sorry, working on reducing calls. Sometimes this calls distract me from doing all these things. Okay, let it be. So working on reducing costs for maps and third party, researching and addressing mobility issues in smaller cities and developing frameworks for enhancing developer productivity by contributing to Namma DSL domain specific language of Namma Yatri. Okay, so there are few more other things, infrastructure management, and then that's it. There are the three roles, and here are the locations that they have mentioned. So primary skill language not mandatory but preferred in case if you have. So they are hiring for the Bangalore, Chennai, and Kolkata. Those are the three places that they are looking for. Here are simple challenge questions. We can look at it. Okay. So where this challenge takes place, this challenge is an online challenge. Will I receive a reminder notification before the challenge begins? Yes, you will be receiving a reminder 3 hours before the challenge begins. Only if you have registered for the challenge. Okay, we'll do the registration. Don't worry. How do I participate in this challenge? To participate in this challenge, do the following: register for the challenge. Visit the challenge page. Visit the challenge page on start or end date. Click participate in challenge, and you can take the challenge from the mobile platforms. No, we do not support mobile platforms for taking the challenge. Okay, that's the question. Sorry, man. I just mixed everything. So, can we take up the challenge from mobile platforms? No, that's entirely no. You need to take it from the desktop or laptop. So, what type of questions will I have to solve in challenge? So, programming problems, multi-choice questions, and then subjective questions. There are three types of questions that you need to focus on. So, write code in the online code editor that provided with each problem and submit it. You can make multiple submissions. The platform automatically considers the best solution. Nice. So questions with multiple choice will be preferred. You should select the correct answer for the list of choices. Subject to problems and instructions for each problem differ. Enter the solution in the text area that provided and submit it. Okay, so that's other thing that, and remaining are the things that not much required for you. Oh, what? Lot of calls. I think I need to keep it in DND mode whenever I do this recording. Damn. Okay. So where we are, and these are the things that are not required. And as I told, this hiring process is for the people who have experience of 0 to 5 years. Freshers, it's your time. You can apply for this particular challenge. Uh, Namma Yatri Software Development Hiring Challenge 2025. If you can click on this register, it is asking you register, login or register, sign up to register. You can select anything like continue with Google or continue with email. Okay, so enter your email address there. For example, for your sake, I'll be giving this temp mail, but I suggest you to give your original mail IDs there. Okay, let's just see will it take or not. Let me copy this and go to this Namayatri, paste it there. So magic link has been sent to your mail address. So if I can open this mail address and then let me see. So give your original mail address there. Okay, you need to participate in this particular adding challenge. As I can't enter all these things, so I'm just using this temporary mail. Oh, no, no, no. Bit slow. Okay. So here I got the link from the support hacker rank link generated. So if I open this email, so you'll be having all these things. Your hacker rank magic link generated at to the March 12, 2025, and click on login to hacker earth. And now, so you have successfully logged into the Accurate using your email address. Okay, using your it has created automatically created your profile. That's nice. And then here are the details that you need to fill to participate in this particular challenge: your name, your gender, your current location, your contact number, and your education details. Okay, and then CGP and everything, and years of experience. So select how many years of experience you have and which company, and the title. Will you able to take up this job? Yes, definitely yes. And then upload your resume and register for this challenge. So these are all the things that you need to do just to uh, be a participant of this particular challenge. And I feel like this challenge would be completely easy. So freshers people or the experienced people, just go ahead and apply for this particular job, and you are good that you will be cracking this job. And don't worry, I'll be posting the solutions also. Once few of our people write the test, right? So once they send me the questions, and I will be posting it on the YouTube. Don't worry regarding that. Okay, you can just take the code and just submit. That's not an issue, but we need to get the job by the end of the. That's the one thing that we will be focusing on every time. Okay, so that's the thing, guys. That's the one of the Namma Yatri thing. which I want to get you. For the first time, we are releasing this hacker uh, like hackathons in our YouTube channel. So just to support us, share with your friends, and then people who are necessary, people who require the things. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. BTech Guide for latest job posting and much more. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.